About 21,000 people die every day from hunger or hunger-related issues. This is about one person every 4 seconds. This is why Good News Sounds of Pentecostal Ministry, the Kingdom Church, at 455 South 10th Street, Newark, New Jersey, has decided to answer that call and do what we can do to help feed our people.